The 2026 Lincoln Navigator exemplifies the pinnacle of luxury SUV engineering, integrating sophisticated design, cutting-edge technology, and formidable performance. Under the hood, this model retains its powerful twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 engine, generating an impressive 440 horsepower and 510 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a seamless 10-speed automatic transmission and an advanced all-wheel drive system, the Navigator maintains its reputation for smooth, commanding performance. Additionally, its robust towing capacity of up to 8,700 pounds ensures that it remains a top choice for those requiring both opulence and utility. Inside the cabin, Lincoln has elevated the Navigator's interior to new heights, incorporating a meticulously crafted 3-row seating arrangement adorned with premium materials. A key highlight of this model is the striking 48-inch panoramic display, seamlessly blending the instrument cluster with the infotainment system, offering both convenience and aesthetic appeal. Complementing this technological advancement, Lincoln integrates an 11.1-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a premium 28-speaker Revel audio system, and a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control and the highly anticipated BlueCruise hands-free driving system. The exterior design of the 2026 Navigator remains a testament to Lincoln's commitment to elegance and sophistication. The bold yet refined front grille, sleek body lines, and available 24-inch alloy wheels contribute to an imposing yet graceful road presence. Notably, the addition of a split tailgate enhances versatility, providing both aesthetic appeal and practical functionality. In sum, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator seamlessly merges luxury, performance, and innovation, solidifying its status as a premier offering within the full-size luxury SUV segment.